I'm starting to collect the data for the AI when all alerts fire to see if I can have AI identify a pattern of data that would help make them more effective.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning, it's Wednesday, June 25, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. Fox's Gasparino reports Team Trump is close to announcing trade deals, notably with Japan, South Korea and Vietnam. European markets are mixed and US futures flat, as investors await Fed Chair Powell's remarks and the NATO summit. The US dollar tries to recover recent losses while the euro retreats from highs. Treasuries are steady, crude is rebounding but still low, and metals are slightly firmer. Key events ahead include US building permits, central bank updates, and major earnings reports. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now, let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
Before I jump into the analysis, these SMPs, these syzygy momentum peaks, I was running them in the Wayback Machine just to get used to them. These are going to come in two flavors, either weak or strong. And originally, I was designing them to behave as a indicator of potential reversals.
Oh, okay.
But what I found them to be more accurately is predictors of temporary momentum in the direction that they're going. And I put them in two categories, either weak or strong. So like right here, you can see this kept going. All right.
Mm-hmm.
That's what the behavior that I found. So here's better examples. This kept going. These kept going. This kept going until they don't. And then this last one here in a cluster of these, this usually ends up being the weak one. And that one's kind of 50-50. You could either go long or short on that one. I
Okay.
would probably take a risk and go short on that one and then just
Mm-hmm.
put a tight stop on it, make sure that I'm cool. But other than that, so just be aware that's the only thing that has changed. So when you get these alerts, if it's the first one,
Yeah.
you're probably safe going in the direction of the trend. If there's been like 9 of them,
Gotcha.
get ready for it to collapse, kind of a thing. But it seems to be a pretty reliable indicator of momentum in whatever direction price is going. Okay?
Gotcha.
All right, so let's look at this today. Aussie US dollar, looking at the HUD. Right now we are in a bearish trend. Bearish trend. The RSI is getting near oversold. We're getting green and we're in the 30s. The last S&P alert was a weak one to the upside. That was 46 bars ago. That's this guy right here. So this one I would have shorted, and you can see
Yep.
that would have worked. And the last pivot alert was 27 bars ago, and the current bar is 19. The average length of a trend has been 27 bars, and we're currently at bar 19.
Gotcha.
So I'm starting to collect the data for the AI when all alerts fire to see if I can have AI identify a pattern of data that would help make them more effective.
Gotcha.
Okay. Anyway, US Canadian dollar, looking at the HUD, we are in a strong uptrend. Strong uptrend, RSI is in the 60s. Once we get in the 70s, we will be overbought. Volume is above average, so this is a pretty strong trend. The last S&P was a weak one 2 bars ago. You can see that. You could have got a quick scalp here to the
Hmm.
downside. And the average length of the pivot has been 31 bars. We're about 16 bars in. So from here to here is about 31 bars. And
Okay.
we're just a little bit in there. I don't know what's going on.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
All right, US Chief.
It's the air.
Is it the air?
Yeah, dude. It's
It was at
just,
111 degrees on Monday.
yeah. I hear you.
All
Eating
right,
it.
US Chief in a
Mhm.
bullish trend, but it's weak. RSI 60. We need to get into 70s before we're overbought. Volume is normal. Today's a weird day. Everything's going sideways and not doing much. The last SMP, I don't, that don't look right to me. Should have been long. Pivot alerts, average 28 bars. We're 17 bars in. So nothing really to do on this one. Pound US dollar, we are in a strong bearish trend. That's pretty obvious. We've sketched off this order pool for quite a while here.
Yeah.
RSI is in the 40s, so we're right in the middle. Volume's normal. And the
Gotcha.
last, the pivot short 28 bar average, we're 17 bars into them. Everything's looking exactly the same. It's just been chopping sideways. There's some news at 9.
It's Powell there.
Yeah, maybe we'll get a little action. But right now, it's looking sideways rodeo.
Alrighty.
All I got for today.